Hi guys, good morning. So we are now at the site. So this one over here is the septic tank. Okay, it has 3 compartments, and that's the access there, and the drainage is going outside over there. Okay, now at my back here, this is where the playground before, and so you can see that there are scaffoldings already, and the swing is, they already dismantled the swing, but the swing we plan to put it on top of the roof deck. 1 swing only, it's not 2 anymore. So far this is the things, these are the things that we finished, and the workers have slowly removed the dirt. So this one is a big pile, as you can see from the previous video. So we still have to get rid of some of the dirt. Then they're now starting to remove these old fences here. So far the structure of the walls are still very good, and as per the contractor, so we might reuse this once they dig something here for the columns. They will check if it's really still good, and if it's not, they will have to remove this wall and build another one. But they will start to dig for the columns this week. Yeah, so it's kind of slow as of the moment, but by April it will be faster, and more workers will be here. Okay, so they still have to put something on top of this, like a slab, and then the outside of this will be covered with the tiles so that they'll look good. So guys, they already cemented the top layer. They also removed the wooden box. So this one, the squares are the access going down to the septic tank. So as of now, this is the latest update. So check out the previous videos, the design, and of the first week. So hope to see you in the next video for more updates about this building. Bye.